Welcome! We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss another brand new item fitting the 2018 and newer Honda Gold Wing and Honda Gold Wing Tourer models. This particular item is going to be our Satin Black Beachcomber board. This particular set of boards allows you to utilize the anti-rotation to get the angle of the board to fit properly to your foot. You can also utilize any of our stepped off or straight off extensions. This product is going to be great for increasing the comfort on your long road trips. If you have any further questions with regards to the Beachcomber boards, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE, and be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Thank you for watching, and safe riding.